looking at the conscientious direct seller. This is a personality style who also might have a little bit of trouble getting the amount of party bookings that they want in their direct sales business. Let's face it, we all have trouble getting as many party bookings that we want at times. Like, that's a part of being a direct seller, isn't it? It happens to everyone. Please do not feel like it's just you. It happens to everyone. The people who never ever run out of party bookings are the ones who choose to figure out how to fix it. And that's what we're going to do right now. So if you are the conscientious direct seller personality style, this is for you. The conscientious party plan consultant might find that their party bookings are a bit low because your party guests might not feel that you've spent enough time getting to know them through small talk that makes them feel comfortable to book a party with you yet. Remember, the conscientious direct seller is someone who is super organized and very strategic. They like to be very time efficient, so they like to get to the point. This is what we're here for. Let's do it now. So you might not show much enthusiasm in the way that you ask for the party booking. It might be very strategic and goal orientated once again. People might think that you're not very interested in running a party for them because you are so just focused on the task. The conscientious direct seller is very task orientated. You also might find that you're so efficient. The conscientious direct seller is super organized. They just have systems and strategies galore, very efficient. And you might be so organized that you run a well-timed party and you ask your party guests, you do ask your party guests for a booking once, but then you actually find that some people need to be asked again, a second time, maybe even a third time to book a party before they say yes. But the magic here is to ask for the party booking the second or the third time in a different way, coming at it from a different angle. A lot of people are going to say no the first time, but then as they keep seeing Sally, the hostess today, get more and more free products and discounts, and as they understand that this is a social catch-up, they haven't had to get together with their friends for so long, they haven't seen Melinda for so long, and it's great to catch up with her, and there's other people that they would like to be able to do that with in their home, they keep thinking about it. And so sometimes it takes 2 or 3 times to ask for the party booking before they say yes. So how can we fix that? How can we improve it and help the conscientious direct seller to get more party bookings? What you want to do is spend more time in socializing with your party guests. And first, you need to build the connection with your party guests. So that might take a little bit of small talk, a little bit of chit chat, asking questions, just spending a little bit more time socializing. You also want to make an effort, and this might sound a little bit unusual, but make an effort to smile more and show expressions on your face. Look, it's just a natural behavioral style. The conscientious direct seller spends a lot of time in their head thinking, and they're all about the strategy and the process, and they're very considered as well. And so they're quite serious. And so the serious conscientious direct seller doesn't let a lot of facial expression and big bright eyes and smiles. But remember, most people are the people pleaser, and expression and smiles and bright eyes is exactly what the people pleasers are all about, and it's also what the outgoing people are all about. So if the conscientious direct seller can get better at showing a little bit more facial expressions and smiling and making eye contact, this allows your passion to shine through, and it others with that enthusiasm in a positive way. A couple of last points here for the conscientious direct seller. Don't be afraid to spend a little bit of extra time at the party to mingle with the guests and let them play with the products after the official demonstration is over. Now, that can be really hard for the conscientious direct seller because they're on a time schedule, they want to get out of there. But also they love everything to be neat and tidy. Remember we said they have immaculately clean, stylish shoes that blend in, that don't attract attention, but they look very, very immaculate. So when it comes to their kit and their products, they like their kit and their products to be exactly the same. Immaculate, clean, organized, structured. And they tend to get a little bit nervous when the party guests start throwing everything around and picking it up and making a mess. But my way of thinking is that if the products are all over the table and people are picking them up and having a close look, that's a great sign that they are falling in love with those products. And we know that when they fall in love with the products, the desire to want what you've got to offer increases, and so the party bookings increase as well. That means conscientious direct sellers, just let people make a bit of a mess and have fun and spend a little bit more time socializing with them. So in finishing here for the conscientious direct seller, you want to gently ask for the booking again. Remember we talked about asking the second and third time, but ask in a different way, and definitely do this for those people that are picking up the products and can't resist the products, they can't put them down. But make sure you're asking in a different and softer way. So what you could do is something like this to ask for the party booking. You could say something like, who have we got here now? We've got Debbie. Debbie's here now. And we can say to Debbie, Debbie, I can see that you are loving the products. If you don't mind me asking you this, Sally would actually receive an extra $50 gift voucher as an extra bonus on top of everything else she's already got today, if we had just one extra party booking. So I was just wondering, is there a way that we can have a small party with you and your friends to help Debbie? What do you think? How do you feel about that? So it's a little bit of a softer way. I've come from the angle of helping the hostess to get her rewards by Debbie having the party. So again, it just gives you different ideas about how to ask for the party booking, different ways, different times, and even different personality styles as well. So thanks for being here. I'm Melanie Parker, the founder of Party Plan 123. We love sharing ideas and tips with you on how to increase your party bookings. And remember, you have got way more help and a lot more strategies and success tips inside of our best training program, which is called the Roadmap to Party Plan Success. All you got to do is go to our website and you'll find that partyplan123.com. Thank you very much for being here. I appreciate you. Go out there and never ever run out of party bookings ever again in your direct sales business. Thanks everyone. Bye.